What's going on? Nick here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. I got a 2015 Yamaha Bolt C-Spec with me today. These are fun little bikes to ride. They're not too heavy, good on the gas, and a pretty cool little power plant too. It's a 942cc air-cooled, fuel-injected V-twin. And the color on this bike is called liquid silver. That's for you, Rusty. Yeah, man, these things are a lot of fun to ride. Good torque, good power. It's got forward controls. It's got an upgraded pipe. I'm not exactly sure what brand it is. I'm thinking it's a D&D pipe though, just from the style of it. So when we got this bike, it didn't have the passenger pegs. It's got the brackets for them, so if you want to source a set of pegs, but in place of the passenger seat, it's got a little luggage rack. It's also got this added on little storage pouch on the side, a little bit of, maybe you could put a wallet, some keys or something in there. Bike's in good shape. It's got a chip on the top of the tank. It's got a few little marks on the rear fender. You can see a little line going across. I don't know if it's from a sticker or something, but the bike's in good shape. Michelin Commander 2 tires, they're in good shape as well. Side mounted plate. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, and gave it a professional detail. Also, this stainless steel braided clutch cable is a little discolored on the top here. And it's got a little scratch on the front fender. It's got a full digital display, which is a nice modern touch to this Bolt. And it's only got 5,242 miles. If you'd like to know more about this bike, pick up the phone and call us at 817-985-8888. You can also check out our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.